Do you ever find yourself working on an important project, due soon, and the power goes out? Do your children get cut off on doing homework when the lights disappear? Or even just watching a movie with your loved ones and the TV turns off at the exact wrong moment? Life without electricity is difficult, with parents unable to work, children missing out on education, and entire businesses taken out of commission. Power outages are common, and generators are a hassle. A quarter of the world is currently living without electricity, and half of the people who do are stuck with unreliable power grids or less power overall. It's time to solar. We use the cleanest energy out there, the sun itself, to power everything you need. Excess electricity from the day is stored and then used when there is no sun, during the rain, and at night. And the process for installing it is just as simple. We test and assemble the equipment